8th class student. Question number 4. Question number 4 is exercise 2.2a exponent. First part is middle bracket, small bracket minus 2 upon 3 power 2 middle bracket close minus 2 is power. Rule number: if power above power, then multiply by power. Power and power, m into n. So do the multiply. Minus 2 upon 3 multiply by 2, 2 2 जा 4, plus minus 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 4, remove the minus power, minus 3 upon 2 became the after sign change by power. Write the in 4 times minus 3 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2 and minus 3 upon 2. At first multiply the minus 4 times is plus 3 3 जा 9 9 9 जा 81 upon 4 4 जा 16. First part is complete. Second part is big bracket, middle bracket minus 1 upon 3 in small bracket. Power is 2, middle bracket is closed, minus 2, big bracket closed is minus power is 1. Minus 1 upon 3 multiply by all power, 2 2 जा 4, 4 1 जा 4, minus minus plus, write in 3 times. Bracket 1 minus 1 upon 3 multiply minus 1 upon 3 and multiply by minus 1 upon 3. After multiply minus 1 1 जा 1, 3 3 जा 9, 9 9 जा 81. 1 upon 81 is second part. Third part is two upon 3 middle bracket small bracket middle bracket close 2 power minus 2 power in bracket 3 upon 2 multiply by power 3 upon 2 power is 2 2 जा 4 minus 4. Now remove the minus power, do the reciprocal of fraction, write the 4 times 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3. After multiply 81. Question number 5. 5 is middle bracket 1/3 small bracket minus power is 3 minus 1/2 in small bracket power is -1. Middle bracket is closed. Divide by 1/4 power is -3. At first, remove the minus power. Reciprocal should be -2/1. Middle bracket close. Divide 4/1 power is 3. Remove the at first solve the middle bracket. In middle bracket 3 power -2 divide by 4 into 4 into 4 middle bracket 27 3 3 जा 9 9 27 -2 middle bracket close divide by 64 after minus 25 divide by 64. Now write the upon. In up 25/64. Question 6. Sixth question is 4/3 middle bracket small bracket inside the 4/3 power is -1 minus small bracket inside the 1/4 and power is -1. At first remove the power 4/3/4 will be after sign of the change of the exponent minus 4/1 will be -1 is power remove the small bracket minus 4/1 -1 to take the LCM. LCM will be 4 1 and 4 3 into 1 minus 4 into 4 power is -1 middle bracket 3 minus 16 LCM is 4 power is -1 minus 13/4 power is minus. At last change the power -4/13 will be power change. Question number 7 is 7 question is small bracket -1 power of 5 into 3 power -1 small bracket close divide by 6 power -1 big bracket equal at first remove the power 1/5 will be after sign change the 1/3 is small bracket is closed 1/6 big bracket is closed. After multiply 1 1 जा 1 3 5 जा 15 divide 1/6 now change the divide into multiply 6/1 will be sign change divide into multiply 1/1 into 6 1 into 15 3 5 जा 15 3 2 जा 6 after 2/5 7 question is complete. Question number 8 is 8 question is find the value. First part find the value first part is 2 have power 0 plus 3 power is -1 bracket close into 3 power is 2 at first which power is 0 value is 1 1 plus remove the power 3 will be 1/3 into 3 into 3 take the LCM is 3 1 into 3 plus 1 into 1 multiply 3 3 जा 9 3 plus 1 3 1 जा 3 1 1 जा 1 LCM it is same multiply 9/1 4/3 multiply 9/1 4 into 3 and 9 into 1 3 3 जा 9 4 3 जा 12 12 the after simplify value of the first part is 12 second part is small bracket 2 power multiply 3 power -1 bracket close divide by 2 power -3 at first remove the minus power after 1/2 multiply 1/3 remove the power divide 1/3 multiply 1 1 जा 1 3 2 जा 6, डिवाइड बाई 1/1, 1/1 और 1/2, 1/6, डिवाइड बाई 1 1 जा 1, 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. Now the change the divide into multiply. 8/1 will be 1 into 8 upon 6 into 1, 2 3 जा 6, 2 4 जा 8. 4/3 is value of the second part. Third part is 1/2, power is -2, plus 1/3, power is -2, plus 1/4, power is -2. Remove the minus power. 2/1 plus 3/1, power 2, plus 4/1, power 2. Remove the power. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4. After multiply, 2 2 जा 4, 3 3 जा 9, 4 4 जा 16, 29 is after sum. Third part is complete. Thank you.